The benefits of a mobile welding skid. They come in the horizontal and the vertical. This is actually a horizontal where the welder be facing the rear of the glass. If you get the vertical one, the welder be facing your tailgate. And you can actually design this welding skid however you want it to fit your toolbox, your welder, your bottles, your welding leads, however you want it. So it is very optional and very affordable. So if you're thinking about building one to start your independence or to make your business more mobile and more safe and stable, I think you should visit the website. That's www.hogonwelding.com. That's www.hogonwelding.com, where you can buy your prints for $100 and you can build your own independence. I just had a client that actually purchased 2 of the prints, who's actually getting a school that does welding, a school like a high school that does welding, to actually build the product. And it gives them something to do. It helps them learn more skills, and it also helped them gain their independence. So I think it was a great idea. So for those who are interested, check out the website. For those who want one made personally, we will have these being able to get produced out of Arkansas. The prices start at $500 and they go up to $2,500 or to $3,000, depends on what all you want us to put on there. If you want your reels and everything ready, well, all you have to do is put your bottles in your welder and you gone. We can do the full assembly. So it all depends on what you want, but we have the prints available to help you build your independence. And there's anyone that is independent welder, mobile welder, fabricator, installer throughout the U.S., throughout the country, throughout the world. If you feel that these prints can help you, visit the website, get your copy now. Hold on.